Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. I hope 2026 has been treating you all well. I've been sick on and off, so I apologize if I don't sound 100% recovered. It is such a gloomy day outside. I'm pretty sure it's about to rain at any minute. So I figured this would be the perfect day to do some tidying up around my place, which desperately needs it, and to also spend the day focusing on self-love and self-care, which has also been neglected in my life, and I really want to take the time to nurture that today. I've already done my dishes and started some laundry, but my place can use a good vacuum, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. It's gonna be a cozy video just like always. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. I have officially cleaned everything in this apartment that needs to be cleaned, and I'm so happy. I don't know about you guys, but when my place is tidy, I feel like I can think better. I feel like my brain is less foggy, which really helps me because I've been under the weather. So now that we've gotten all of the boring, tedious cleaning out of the way, it's time to do something fun. I've been playing a lot of Coral Island. I have sunk so many hours into that game that I'm a little ashamed of, but I love Coral Island so much. I think I want to do some gaming later, but also my birthday is in a little less than a month and I'm still trying to finalize all the details. So I think it would be really fun to open Pinterest up and continue to work on my invitations, the food menu, the drink menu. I have so many ideas that I can't wait to share with you guys, and I'm excited to see it come to life. wanted to share with you guys some things that I've been loving lately that have been bringing comfort and joy into my life. I'm gonna start off with the croissant candle I was burning all day today. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? And the scent is salted chocolate croissant. First off, the shape of it brings me so much joy, and I love lighting this candle every day. And next up we have the Chobani chocolate covered strawberry creamer. I have been loving using this in my coffees, and it tastes just like a chocolate covered strawberry. Next up for body care, we have this vanilla creme brulee body lotion by Hemp Streets. I picked this up at Marshall's, and as you can see, she is well loved. I have like this much left. I always get compliments on just this lotion alone. When it's topped with perfumes, it smells even better. I love anything vanilla, and it is such a nice, comforting scent. I've been going to a lot of estate sales recently, and I picked up this copy of The Secret Life of Bees. I got this copy for like 25 cents and I couldn't pass it up. I'm only on chapter 1 right now, but I'm really excited to continue reading and see where the story goes. Next up, I have the cutest PJs ever. This is a vintage Victoria's Secret set, and I picked this up on Depop. It has frills all along the collar and can be opened. And then the bottoms are these pants, and they have little frills at the bottom. I just thought this set was stunning. I couldn't pass it up, and it was made in July of 2001. I've been loving wearing this pajama set lately. I know I mentioned this in my last video, but I really have been using my journal every single day. It is something that brings me so much joy every day, and I just had to show you guys the inside of my journal real quick because it's pretty cute. For my junk journal, I use the Leuchtturm. It is a journal that I've used for years and years. I just love the quality of them. I love that there's a pouch in the back where you can store things. I usually keep stickers or pictures back here. A couple years ago, I started documenting what I look like at the time that I'm starting the journal. So here is my journal spread. I think it's so cute. So this just says Alex's journal, and I have a letter for me to open on January 2027 because I started this journal January of this year, and it has been so much fun doing cute little spreads in here and just documenting my life and the events that I go to, collecting cute things. So this is your sign to get into journaling. It does not necessarily mean you have to write out your thoughts all the time. Journaling can be anything creative and fun. You could junk journal, you could have a traveler's journal. You guys, it just started raining outside, which you know is my favorite, but to finish off my current comforts, my current favorites, I wanted to include this puzzle. This is by Piecework. It was a collaboration they did with Goop. This is the most beautiful puzzle I have ever seen in my life. Look at that artwork. Is that not stunning? I want to plan more for my birthday next month, so I'm gonna open up my laptop. I just want my birthday to be full of joy and whimsy and color and just happiness. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm planning for my birthday. I really want my birthday to be very whimsical, very colorful. So I really love the idea of these paper chains, the gold stars, balloons. This idea is also just so very cute to me. I love the idea of the paper crowns, just the banners, the colors. It is full on storming outside right now, which I love, but I'm gonna continue to work on my birthday plans. I want to do some paper chains, some banners, some stars, and really transform my apartment. But my ultimate plan is to do a sort of home cafe for my birthday, design a birthday drink, have some pastries, and just make it really whimsical and fun in here. So that is my birthday plans. I'm gonna keep working, design the rest of my invitation, and just hang out for a bit. I'm usually not ever excited for my birthday, but the concept of this whimsical home cafe with just magic and streamers and paper chains and stars. Just sounds so wonderful. So if you guys would like for me to document my process doing my apartment whimsical cafe, as well as just vlog my birthday, let me know down in the comments below and I will definitely do that for you guys. I think it's gonna turn out so good.